So, hey guys, today we're making pastillas. So, the first ingredient is skimmed milk. And the second ingredient, condensed milk. So, we added those milk earlier. And now we have to mix it carefully. Like this.
Petsa na. Tapos 8 na ng gabi, Kali.
Kanina ba kayo nagagano?
Kala ko guys, sabi ng mami mo, alas 2 kayo aalis.
Mami.
Kaya nga.
Mami, nagbablog si Kali.
Sorry.
Look.
Pabilisan na natin. Sabi mo, papaano mo na sa ninang.
So, my ninang is gonna mix it since she doesn't want to be shown for some reason. I'm gonna show her. I'm gonna show her. I'm gonna show you, ninang. I'm gonna show you. It's already on your wheelchair.
Nanakot pa eh.
No!
Just kidding, man. Sure. It's almost done.
Gutom ka na. Hindi ka pa nakakakita.
Yes. Reception ng lokong dami.
Kaya na kayo sasakay.
Ano mag-ano lang kami?
Babiyahe? Paano kung gano'n sasakyan kayo?
Ay, hindi pa daw na. Wala pa nga daw doon. Diba? Ang kanyang friend. Kasi doon dapat sasakay yung iba.
My ninang is taking so long since she's a grouch.
What did you say?
You're a grouch.
Pupunta kasi din si Ate Kat.
Ha?
Pupunta si Ate Kat.
Pupunta ba ka?
Eh, ako chill na. Sabay.
Can I
Sabay na kayo.
taste it now?
Bihis na daw siya.
Okay.
Eh, ano? Baka magmimisa pa lang ngayon.
What up mo na yan?
So, like,
Tapos mamaya
guys, we have to
kaputol.
wait.
The diet.
So, guys, we're gonna pull it now. Then, first we're gonna shape it.
Dalawa
Then,
po
we're
kami
gonna
black
roll it.
TV sa kami. At ang kanya dapat meron siyang kanyang paglalagyan.
Black?
Yan.
Sugar.
Ganyan.
On the sugar now.
Tingnan ko lang sa Ate Kat.
Ay, kailangan natin mag-butter dito na. Hindi ka
Can I go to Queenie after? While we're waiting. I kind of want to give her some now.
Huh?
I kind of want to give her one.
Okay.
Yay!
Ano?
Pwede daw siyang mapaglaro kay Queen after.
Come on.
Sure.
Are you sure this is fully mixed? It's a bit sticky. Look, it keeps sticking.
Nandyan.
But now we're gonna put butter on her hands. But this,
Malinis na yan.
Malinis ang kamay.
fine, I'll watch it a second time. Watch it. Why did I say watch it?
Ewan ko sa'yo.
I think I'm bored with the tongue-tied.
Wala ha?
Then why do I keep stuttering?
Malay ko sa'yo.
I think I'm...
Nag-soap na naman.
What?
O, make sure na ano, baka mamaya yung pastillas mo yung lasang soap. Ano nangyayari sa akin?
I
Lasang
was
soap.
drinking water, Dad. I think Dad didn't unload the...
Ay, banlaw pa!
Banlaw the bote food because I tasted soap. I think I'm dead. I think I'm dying.
Lasang sabaw lang eh.
And then we went to this one restaurant.
Babay daw.
Bye, Loka!
Hoy!
Are we gonna use our hands?
Of course. Gusto mo mo, fit?
Oh, who would do that? Because I thought we were gonna use spoons like when we cook cookies.
Ikaw mo, mami, nagtatampo sa iyo. Akala masama yung sinasabi mo. Boring ka lang naman.
Hindi.
Lag ka lang naman.
Hindi. Hindi ako nagsasabi ng masama.
Okay lang naman.
Para akong lola, mami, na nagsasabi. Para healthy ka. Yung halimbawa, ganito ang kinakain mo, ang ama, ganyan. Oh, and what if, alsin mo muna itong isa? O, di ay muna.
Like this,
Pag
ha?
pwede, try uli. Ayun ang kakainin. Para magiging healthy ka. Yun.
Ninang, do you think I need more butter?
Ah, hindi na.
Hindi naman pwedeng hindi kakain. Sama naman yun.
Oh, ganito lang kalalaki.
Good, they're not sticking.
Shit sa bibig yan. Parang
Sikat
sarap.
pa yung mga masala.
Gusto ko
Ha?
na eh.
Mga masala, sikat pa.
Kasama nila.
Umalis na.
Hindi pa.
Ay, ang sarap. Pero parang mas gusto ko may Oreo.
Yeah.
Gusto ko, ganda niyan kung may kinadkad na chocolate
Ito
at
eh,
gagawin
ayaw. Ay,
mo.
sorry.
Ayaw mo? Maganda yan. Imported. Abo,
Yeah.
ang sarap ang meron mo.
Is this good enough?
Maligo ka na.
Malaki yan.
Sige na.
Muna ka na.
No?
Tama na,
Tama na ang paggawa.
Is this good
Papasko
enough?
ga?
Pero,
Papasko baga.
So we roll it into circles. You
Ayan lang.
can roll it to whatever shape you want, but my boy Ninang says roll it into a circle. I want it like a worm shape.
Daddy, huwag ka magpakita. Nagbibideo yan.
I really don't wanna restart.
Yan. Ganda.
Ganda nga. Oh, akin to! Nasaan yung una mo? Dito mo din ba nilalagay?
Yeah.
Alin yun? Kaya nga, tigisa tayo ng container.
I didn't know.
Not listening kasi.
I think I need butter.
You're not listening.
Pagka nadikit na, lalagyan na ng butter yung
Butter,
kamay.
again.
Pero konti lang kasi.
Ayan. Be sure na ganun-ganon para siksik yung loob.
Like Play-Doh.
Yeah.
tingnan mo, kung may lasa na.
I kind of
Ang lambot-lambot pa, Daddy.
oh man.
Ito nga malambot ang gawa niyo. Baka malambot
Eh,
talaga.
sarap pa yan.
Is this a fail? I'm gonna get some from the pan. I think. I see.
Diyan lang.
So, okay, it's a bit sticky, Ninang. Where's the butter? Oh, there it is. Is this okay enough? The first time we made pastillas, I didn't like it when you had to
Nalapad yan.
make sure your hands have butter on it and wash them. You don't want amoebas.
Sabihin mo, kailangan magwawash muna mabuti mo.
That's what I said.
Ano sabi mo?
Is this big or small? Big or small?
Tama lang, tama lang.
And then you have to, and then
You have to roll.
you plop, and then you plop it into sugar. Whee! Just like that. Roll them in some sugar thoroughly. Then pop it in your bowl. I'll take that. Thank you. So let's plop it in the sugar again and coat it. Dikit-dikit ang akin.
Oo nga, dikit
Pahinga ka
dikit.
ng tab.
Dapat dito sa...
Mine too. Malagyan niyo ng paper. Hey, sugar.
Here.
Too small. Cut niyo po, tapos puputulin pa yan sa
idea na. Yung taga-na.
Like, how long do we have to put it in the freezer for?
30 minutes isa.
Is this good enough?
Yeah, pwede mo na yung i-pause kasi alam na nila how to.
Oh,
Tapos mamaya yung...
So guys, tada! The finished look. I have 2 layers. I won the competition for my ninang.
It's so yummy.
And it's so yummy. Then I have to go to my friend's house. And get yours out. I have to go to my friend's house. So we'll put it in the fridge for 30 minutes. And that's all today. Bye.